Good day, folks. Just a quick little video for you this morning. For those of you who are waiting for the rumored DJI FPV drone, or perhaps you're waiting for the new V2 goggles, I noticed something interesting last night on the DJI website. It appears they've removed the old digital FPV system. So let's just take a quick look at that. If we click on the store button there at the top, like we were going to purchase something, and then we click on the DJI FPV. You can see right now all they're listing right at the top there is the old goggles. The digital FPV system has been removed. It used to be when you clicked on that button, it would list all the different packages you could buy. Now if you scroll down, you can see that they still offer all the individual components under accessories. So that is kind of interesting news. It looks like they are kind of getting things ready, getting the website ready for this new system that will be launching soon. There's been a ton of leaks over the past month, all kinds of different leak shots of the drone. And a couple weeks ago, the version 2 goggles briefly appeared on the Canadian and American DJI website. They were there for a couple hours and then it got pulled. However, if we do switch it over to the Chinese version of the DJI website, you can see there that they are still listing the version 2 goggles. We can bring them up and they can be purchased there. So it is kind of interesting that they've removed the old setup from the store of the DJI website. So that means that things are moving forward. There's a lot of different rumors going around when it's going to be released. Some people said the end of January, but we're at the end of January right now and nothing's been announced. Acida Levy on Twitter hinted that it's going to be after the Chinese New Year's, which I believe is the 18th of February, I think, somewhere in there, 13th or 18th. I'm not 100% sure. So if that is the case, then definitely we'll probably be looking at the end of February or early March. So it will be interesting to see how this all plays out. Hopefully the release comes sooner than later. I'm actually looking pretty forward to getting my hands on this. I think it's going to be a pretty interesting drone to fly, a nice marriage between cinematography and getting some of those interesting FPV shots. For the true FPV enthusiasts, this FPV drone that should be coming out is probably not going to be something that they're going to be interested in because it's not really customizable. You know, it's kind of a proprietary system. True FPV enthusiasts really like to build their own equipment, kind of tweak it the way they like. If you are interested in the digital FPV drone that is coming, I highly recommend that you follow Drone XL on Twitter and check out his website, Drone XL. He's got a lot of articles already written about it, and he usually gets the news pretty quick when things come out. Well, folks, that's basically it. Kind of an interesting development. If I hear anything new, I will definitely make a video about it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hopefully you have a great day. Don't forget to hit that subscription button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.